reaction to uncertainty is that you be flexible, you be agile, and remove the organizational rigidities. And authors are saying that this is not somewhat that you do not make the strategy, do not work on strategy and be agile. So a common reaction to uncertainty that accompanies industry transformation is postponed to avoid the set out the strategy. This is the thought which authors are saying that managers have in their mind. Authors are saying that their deliberate and explicit setting of strategy is more important than ever during periods of change and transformation. So strategy has to be there in the periods of change and transformation. And it offers a clear direction to managers to discern important decisions and focus on them in the middle way of these changes. Firms with a clear strategy for a major role in defining the nature of post-transformation industry. So strategic positioning is a path, is not just a point of survival. I will again go back to the example of MTV. Now since MTV knows that how to change, they are changing. Now MTV is they're dictating the terms of the game. And the channel V and the VH1 are following them because they are the strategy. We will see that how 5 forces can help them. I think we can go just now because we have very less time. So the main point is the assertion which authors are making that strategic fundamentals like 5 forces, industry structure analysis and competitive positioning is equally important. Even in a transforming industry, it detects the potential of industry. It is challenging to anticipate the changes, and payoffs from such foresightedness are higher. Why? Because MTV knows it's time to change. So they know which industry structure they are entering into. They are entering into industry which is occupied with, say, any cool channel like Zoom TV, maybe others, maybe I don't know. So they are now moving into a different industry setup, and they are setting the terms. Now channel B is still having 40% or 50% music content. Now the popularity which roadies and split villas are having, channel B does not have that kind of popularity. So if you have a strategy, if you know where the structure is, you are the front runner, you enjoy the first mover advantage. Others just follow. Yet we saw in isomorphism. They just try to follow the leader. Strategy allows to distinguish from the enduring, that is which is permanent kind of, from the transient. Transient means time domain, but is changing.